Okay, this is my current arrangement and it works wonderfully well. You can see on top of the camera is this Y-shaped aluminum bracket that gives you a spare shoe mount there and a spare shoe mount there, and that's the microphone. Pardon my ugly piece of foam that I put on it. I lost a little black piece of foam that came with the microphone, so I had to make my own windscreen. But you can see how small this microphone is in your hand, and inside that piece of foam is just a long skinny shotgun piece and a little AAA battery in here, and it runs really well. It's got its own cushiony mount so it doesn't transmit vibrations from when you're handling it. There's a little LED light mounted on the shoe mount at the top of the U-shaped grip, and of course you can see when you turn it on, there's the lens. So you got microphone, light, and lens, and you can see from the side that they're both behind it, so there's no interference. And again, from the back there's a Y-shaped aluminum bracket that has two shoe mounts on it, one here that's empty and one here that has the microphone on it. So that's what it looks like from far away. Let me turn it around so we can see the other side here. You got your camera on the platform, which is very adjustable, by the way. Underneath the camera can be moved all kinds of different places and settings on that platform. It's got a lot of grooves for the mounting screw. And then you got the handle. You got the Y-shaped aluminum bracket with the two shoe mounts. You got the microphone in one shoe mount. You got the light in the upper shoe mount on that U-shaped handle bracket. And then that last shoe mount is empty. You could also put the light on that other shoe mount there, and you could put the microphone at the front on top if you wanted. I would put the mic directly on top of the camera, except for the fact that this camera is too tall and the microphone won't fit under the upper part of the handle there, so I had to put that Y-shaped shoe mount extender on there instead and put a shoe mount on either side of the handle, and I put the microphone right there. And of course, on the very bottom of all that, under the camera, you screw in the monopod, which is a great way to walk around and then put the bottom of the monopod down and kind of rest while you're shooting video. It's a very good, stable way to handle it. But this also is a very cool way to go around shooting video. It's much more stable than just holding a camera in your hand. Much more stable. And you can also carry it like this and walk along and shoot from a lower level if you want to shoot children or pets or that sort of thing. It's all a great improvement over a handheld camera with its own internal microphone. So that's what I recommend right there.